Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. I got a few more Epic Reacts here on the floor that I'm going to review for you guys, and then that will be my day. So this one that I'm going to show you is probably one of my favorites. It is the Pearl Pink colorway. Man, this one was so dope. When I saw LeBron wearing them for the first time, I knew I had to get these. These things are just straight fire. So I actually picked up Erin, her pair first. I got her a size, I want to say 6. Actually, I got her a 5.5 at first. That's her true size. They were a little bit too tight. Then I got her a 6, still too tight. So I think she ended up with a 6.5. Those fit her pretty good. I told her they ran snug, and she just didn't believe me. She kept getting the other ones, and I kept buying them for her. So we're both to blame on that one, I guess. But I got these size 12. These fit a little bit bigger than the other ones. 11.5 fit me pretty good in these as well. For some reason, they're just not as tight. I know these are made in China. On the tag it says that, so I don't know if that means anything different from the other ones. The other ones I have are made in Vietnam. I think one other one was made in China as well, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But these are pretty nice. I really like that pink color. It's a little bit different than anything else that I have, and it's pretty cool. It goes with a lot of black shirts, white shirts. It goes with pretty much anything. These, when we got them at Finish Line, I didn't pick them up at first. I kind of waited on them, waiting for them to go on sale, and they never did. And now they're on sale. Now they're, I think, $119 on finishline.com. Sold out on Nike. But these, super nice. Size 12 that I got in them. Most of my Epic Reacts are size 12, except for my gray ones, which are 12.5. But these, really dig them. I even like this little heel part that's kind of like pearlized color. It's like kind of shiny. They're kind of not that durable on the bottom, to be quite honest. As you can see, it's just straight React foam on the bottom, so it does wear away pretty easily. But besides that, really nice sneaker. There was this pair, and then there's also like a watermelon type colorway that came out as well that we got at the store. I didn't know which one to really go for because I had bought Erin these already. I didn't know if I wanted to copy her or just kind of do my own thing. But I ended up getting these. I like these a lot better, so I just went for it. So as you can see, it's kind of a darker pink here in the back. This heel cut feels a little bit different than some of my other ones. It's not glossy like the white ones and the gray ones. It's more like the original colorways that came out, that blue and the white one, where it's kind of like a matte finish. It's a darker pink, and then it fades into that light pearl pink. Really nice colorway, and I really do dig these. I'm surprised these didn't sell out like pretty much instantly because I thought they would. Just the colorway itself. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Wanted to show you guys this pickup that I got. Really nice, and like I said, you can pick these up for under retail on finishline.com right now. Drop a comment down below what you think of this colorway. I really like it. It's kind of feminine, but you know, at the same time, I like it a lot. And if you don't like it, let me know why you don't down in the bottom. I know some people just don't like the Epic React in general. There's quite a few people that have said they just don't like the way it feels. I myself, I love it. Okay, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.